Hi, welcome friends. Welcome back to my channel, Digital Marketing Tools and Techniques. So today actually we'll be learning how to create a Google Analytics account for a website. So for those who are not aware about what Google Analytics is, I will just show you. Just search on Google, Google Analytics. Yeah. Now you can see a lot of data. This is a main website that leads to the Google Analytics dashboard, and if you want to know more about Google Analytics, you can see here. Google Analytics is a web analytics service offered by Google that tracks and reports website traffic. So this is the main point, that tracks and reports website traffic. So Google Analytics is mainly used to track and report the traffic coming to a website. So let's see how we can set up a Google Analytics on your website. So first click on this link, the first link. Yeah, this is the home page of Google Analytics. Click on sign in. Just wait for a few seconds. Yeah, it's loading. Okay. Yeah, so this is a basic dashboard for a Google Analytics account. So if you want to create a new Google Analytics account, just go to the left side. You can see a lot of links. Go to the bottom of the left side. You can see admin. Click on that. Yeah, so here you can see various options like account, property, view. This is the hierarchy. Account is the top one, then under account you can create property, and under property you can create view. So we'll start with the account. We are going to create a new account. Click on this blue button, create account. Click on that. Just give any name. My website, and it's a dummy account, so I give my website. So click on next. Yeah, you can have access to 99 accounts. Okay, the maximum is 100. With a Google Analytics account, you can with a Google Analytics platform you can create 99 accounts, and it's free of cost. Click on next. Yeah, here also you can create give a property name. Now we are going to have gone to the second step of the hierarchy, the property. Give any name. I will just give my website itself. Yeah, then click on the show advanced options. Actually there are two things. There are basic Google Analytics code, and also there's a GF or Google Analytics 4. So both have different purposes, and GF4 is the latest one, but I am showing you how to create the basic one, the basic Google Analytics code, Google Analytics universal code. So for that, just you can see a button over here. Just enable this button. Click on that. Yeah, now you can see the option to enter your website. Mywebsite.com. It's a dummy thing. It's not a real website. So here there are two options. Create both a Google Analytics 4 and a universal analytics property. So I am just creating a universal analytics property. I don't want to create a Google Analytics 4 now. That I will show you later. Okay, so I will check this one, create a universal analytics property only. Click on that. Click next. Yeah, select your industry, anything like games or health, whichever is applicable. Select anything that's applicable to your website. Create. Yeah, just accept the terms of service agreement. Okay, I accept it. Yeah, now you will be directed to the tracking code. So this is the main thing. This is a tracking code. So what you have to do is you have to copy this tracking code. So I'm just saving it on a notepad over here. Yeah, this is a tracking code. It's some JavaScript. And this is the ID for your analytics account. Okay, this is unique. So what you have to do is you have to copy this code and you have to read the instruction. Okay, this is a global site tag and tracking code. Copy and paste this code as the first item into the head tag of every website where you want to track. So if you are familiar with coding, basically HTML, you will be knowing what is the meaning of the head tag. So there's a head tag in the code of the website. You have to paste it as a first item into the head tag. That I will show you later as we go ahead with this channel. So we have to paste this code. I will show you an example. I'll show you any website like what we'll search for. So okay, we'll go for search engine channel. This is a popular digital marketing blog. Yeah, so if you want to see the code of this website, this is a front end. If you want to see the code of the website, you need to click Control plus U, Shift plus U, not Control plus U, Shift plus U, or you can take it from here. No, it's not. I'll show you how to create. Click Control Shift plus U. Okay, Shift plus U. Sorry, it's Control plus U. Okay, CTRL plus U. Yeah, sorry, I'm not too familiar with the shortcuts. Okay, so here you can see a lot of codes over here. Yeah, so here is a head tag. Okay, this is a head tag. So you just need to paste this code over here anywhere. We cannot edit this code, but you can place it between the head and the mid. Just after the head tag, you can place that code over here. Okay, so and if you want to see the reports, just click on the acquisition. Yeah, overview. So you can see the reports over here. So we are not able to see any reports because we have not updated the website with the code. But once you have updated the website with this Google Analytics code, you'll be able to see the traffic details over here. So that's how we can set up a Google Analytics code, Google Analytics universal code on your website. So I hope that you understood how to do it. So if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like and share this video. And if you are new to this channel, please subscribe to my channel and support me. So till I come with my next video, please stay tuned and stay safe. Bye.